Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an interesting geometry problem. We have a triangle. The side length of this triangle is 18 unit and 12 unit. And there is a circle inside it touching these three sides. We have to find the area of this circle. Consider the triangle is A, B, C, this triangle ABC, and consider the center of this circle is this point. And now join this B and the center of this circle. Again, join the center and the corner C. And finally, join the point A and the center of this circle. Now consider the center of this circle is O. Now from this figure we can write the area of triangle ABO, the area of triangle ABO plus the area of triangle AOC, triangle AOC plus area of triangle this BOC. BOC is equal to the area of triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Or now consider the radius of this circle is R. So from this center of this circle to this point, this length will be R. So in triangle ABO, the base is AB, which is 18 unit, and the height of this triangle will be R. So the area of this triangle will be half times base times height. So this will be half times base. This is AB, which is 18 unit, and height of this triangle, this is R, which is the radius of this circle. So this is the area of triangle ABO. Plus similarly in triangle AOC, the height, this indicate R, and the base of this triangle is 18 unit. So the area of this triangle will be half times base, which is 18 unit, and height, this is R. Plus in triangle BOC, the base is 12 unit, and the height of this triangle, this will be R. So the area of this triangle will be half times base, which is 12, and height of this triangle is R, is equal to the area of triangle ABC. As this two side length of this triangle is equal, and this is B, base, consider this as B, and this length as A. So this is as A. So the area of this triangle is B by 4 times 4A square minus b square and square root. So this is the formula of finding the area of this triangle ABC. Now substitute the value of a and b. We'll get b by 4, that means 12 divided by 4 times 4a square, that means 4 times 18 square. So 4 times 18 square minus b square, that means 12 square. 12 square and square root. Now simplifying this equation, we'll get the value of r. So this 18 divided by 2, this is 9, and times this r. So this will be 9r, plus here similarly 18 divided by 2 is 9 times r. It will be 9 times r, plus 12 divided by 2, this is 6 times r. This is 6r, is equal to 12 over 4, this is 3, and 4 we can write it this as 2 square times this 18 square minus this 12 square and this square root, or 9 plus 9 is 18 plus 6, this is 24 times r, is equal to this 3, and this will be 2 times 18 is 36 square. So 36 square minus this 12 square and square root, or 24r is equal to 3 times, applying formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So this will be 36 plus 12 times 36 minus 12 and square root, or left side 24 times r is equal to this 3, 36 plus 12, this is 48 times 36 minus 12, this is 24, and this square root, or left side 24 times r is equal to this 3, and 48 we can write 2 times 24, so this is 24, this is 48 times this 24 and square root, or this 24 times r is equal to this 3 and this square root of 2, and 24 times 24, this is 24 square, and this square root, this will be 24, because this 24 square, this square will cancel out by this square root. Now divided both side by this 24, this will be cancel out from both side, and we will get the value of r is equal to this 3 times square root over 2, and this is the radius of this circle. So the area of this circle is pi times r square. This is the formula of the area of this circle. Now substitute the value of r. We can write this pi times r is equal to 3 times square root over 2 and whole square. So this will be pi times 3 square, this is 9, times square root over 2 whole square, this is square root, and this square will cancel and it will be 2, is equal to 9 times 2, this is 18, and this pi. So this is the area of this circle. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.